fall on me. Say you a good guy. Make me believe.
Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been here in a little bit, but I'm here now. And I'm having some buffalo mild wings that I made. Some ranch dressing, coconut water. I'm gonna start off with a prayer, then we're gonna move on. Amen and amen again. If y'all hear the noise in the background, that's my air conditioner. It is currently going off. I was going to do a challenge today, but I'm not. I'm going to do the challenge the exact same way it was on the other channels. Buffalo mild wings, that's what they are. Get into this first bite. Now this is my own sauce that I cooked it in. I should do the video showing you guys. Show y'all what it looked like. Good. I'm gonna use just the sauce first. My next one I'm gonna eat with my ranch. So good. I'm gonna throw some now. Let's see. Maybe that worked. I know y'all saw my fork. The fork was to mix my little sauce, or if I get to the end, scrape the ranch up. Currently waiting on my baby girl to get off to school. She'll be here real soon. Hold on. This is like a garlicky wing as well. So, ooh, look at that! Look at that! That's a good thumbnail. Yeah, I was just looking up the story of this murder of a young girl in my neighborhood. Not my neighborhood, but in my city. She was 19. Home with her baby. Her mom took her to work. Now she was Caucasian and African American. Not that it matters, but her mom took her home after working 16 hours. So I guess her and her mom worked together. She did like a nursing job. She was a CNA and she took care of elderly. She got home and someone was there, you know, with her kid. When she got off, she's sleeping in bed. In the wee hours of the morning, somebody is at her back door. Someone's at her back door. What's up? 3 men. I assume they saw on surveillance. 3 men was in the back of her house. Like they knew the area and they were familiar with the area. Once they got in her apartment, it was a low-income apartment. Her name was Alea. Just 19 years old. Had a little boy. These three young men came into her household, tied her up and shot her 6 times, killed her, and the other people that was in the household made them go upstairs in another room and let them live. But it was her. And word is they were trying to get her brother, which I'm hearing she was calling her brother in the middle of the night trying to get him, telling him somebody was at her door. He was sleeping. I guess he didn't hear the call. When he woke up and heard her messages on the phone, it was too late. She was already gone. And I'm just trying to believe that what she set up, the person in the household knew what was going on. Hey, boo. My daughter just got out from school. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. I forgot to tell you guys I had some shrimp in here that I added to my thing too. So I'm gonna eat a shrimp now. Yeah, I had a special sauce, so I just added whatever. Woo. It's like a mild, but it got just a little spice to it. A little spice. But her, let's try this with ranch. A shrimp. I never tried it with ranch. Let me see how this tastes. Let me see how it tastes. It's good. So good. Good. You found it?
And how did Daddy get a Carolina Panthers limited edition of their own drink? That's crazy. Pepsi, limited edition. When did he get that?
He had it for a long time.
He had it.
So you didn't want those drinks?
I only found a couple and I didn't know what they were.
These like favorite waters. You got homework?
I have one optional homework. It's not too Friday.
Optional? What about something for me to sign? No?
Yeah, for Mr. Real.
Yeah, I got a message that that's one of them. I had to sign something. Somebody had to sign something. Okay, didn't really want to talk about it while she was here, but she's back. It's so good.
The nuggets Daddy got me downstairs, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So they were trying to figure out why did they kill her and not everybody else? Because her mother said she was never in any gangs or anything of that sort. She was like living a straight and narrow life. Like, I mean, now this apartment complex that she was out, there's only one way in and one way out unless you're going to climb over the gates. It is surveillance. So if somebody that knows the area, for them to feel comfortable enough to go in, and you know where she was at, where she lived at. So her mom thinks there was an inside job. Some people that knew her, definitely knew her. They actually found the weapon. Yes, the weapon. They found the weapon in one of the lakes.
Which Monday, right? That means practice started at 4:45 today?
They didn't throw the weapon far off. They threw it somewhere close where they could find it. So they found a weapon in the lake, so that means somebody that was involved or somebody was pillow talking. And so one of their booths, where they threw it at, because the cops went straight there and found it. So I don't know if it's that fingerprints or whatever happened, how long it was in the water. But they definitely said they're close to finding a suspect. Now her son was left without his mother. And so she was hardworking. Actually, she just got a double 16 hours. And was tired. Was waking out of her sleep and put back to sleep forever. Which was so sad. I could not fathom anything like that happening to my daughter, because she's the same age as my oldest daughter. So like, that's like crucial. Like, they need to really find out who did this. Like, like her parents saying she was a good girl, she did this and that. Oh, excuse me. We never know what our kids are doing when we're not around. Because of course we heard a lot of stories. As a parent, if we didn't see it, it didn't happen. And just like they said, if it's not on black and white, it didn't happen. When they document, it didn't happen. Oh. These wings are good. I didn't think I was gonna finish them, but I'm like I'm about to finish these things. If they ever find out who did it or what happened, any updates, I will definitely let you guys know. But right now, they just found the weapon in a lake. Yeah, full though. I'm definitely starting to be full. Today is the first day I took off for work. I haven't been off in a minute. I meant it. I'm telling you, I was working every day. See those shrimp? I actually had 4 shrimp I saved in there, put in there. And it's good. Especially with this ranch. And this sauce. I never, ever ate shrimp with no ranch. So good. Y'all must have been really hungry because I would have been done. I had some ranch still on this that dropped in. I'm surprised that this ranch lasted. You know, I'm about to end this. It was so good. Like I told y'all, if I hear any updates on the story, I'll let you guys know. I have 2 left. Did I leave a bone in that out your? It's 130 calories. It's coconut water. Anywho, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when your girl upload next video. Until next time, see ya.